An employee of the Ministry of Health and Wellness has tested positive for the COVID-19. The ministry made the announcement in a news related last Thursday. It said that the worker was assigned to work at the head office in Kingston, but did not provide details on the suspect mode of transmission. Contact tracing at the head office has begun, and some members of staff, including Parliament Secretary Dunstan Bryan, has been home quarantined, the minister said. The suspension of operation will allow for sanitisation exercise in the building. Counselling for staff members have begun and will continue as necessary, stated by the minister. The Kingston and St. Andrew Health Department will continue to interview, sample and test other staff members who would have close contact with the employee in the 14 days. The ministry said its National Health Emergency Operations Center, which has been managing the national response to the COVID-19, will continue to operate and function, will work remotely, and our work when required. The Home Office of the ministry are scheduled to reopen for normal operation on Monday, April 20, 2020.